Hello friends, myself Swapnil and welcome to my channel Zycustry. Today I'll be showing you an easy recipe of lasagna, which is an Italian dish. It's very easy to prepare and I'm sure if you are craving for pizza or pasta then you'll love it. We'll be making it in a pan. Yes, you heard it right. We are not using any microwave, we are not using any oven. We'll be making it on a flame. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So let's prepare lasagna sheets. For that I have taken a bowl of all-purpose flour. I'll add half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix it and make a soft dough using water. Friends, you can see that my dough is so soft. You need to make a soft dough. So my dough is ready. I'll cover it with a damp cloth and keep it for around 10 minutes. So my dough has rested well for around 10 minutes. Now I'll divide it into 3 equal parts. You can divide it into 4 parts or 5 parts, whatever you want. So now I have divided the mixture. Let's roll out the chapatis. For that, we'll sprinkle some all-purpose flour on the rolling board and just roll out your chapatis. Friends, we need to roll out very thin chapati. You can see my chapati is so thin. Same way we'll prepare all 3 sheets. Now I have rolled all the chapatis and I have kept it on a rack. You can keep it anywhere if you want. You can keep it on a newspaper or some magazine, whatever you have. And we'll keep it under fan for drying for around 30 minutes. By the time our chapatis are drying, let's make a quick vegetable filling. For that, we have taken few vegetables. In that I have taken 1 onion finely chopped, 1 capsicum finely chopped, 1 carrot, 2 tablespoons of boiled corns, 5-6 mushrooms, little bit paneer, and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. So I have heated my oil and added garlic in that, few green chilies, roasted for 30 seconds and then add onion. Now I'll add all the spices. In that I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Just mix it nicely and add all the vegetables. So friends, I have added all the vegetables. Just stir it for 2 minutes. Now we'll add salt. I am adding half teaspoon of salt. Now mix it and roast it for around 4 to 5 minutes. You need to roast it on high flame. So now friends, our filling is ready. So switch off the flame and let it cool. So friends, by the time our filling is cooling down, let's make a white sauce. For that I have taken a wok and I'll add a tablespoon of butter. I want to tell you that our flame should be on low. So my butter has melted well. Now I'll add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour in this. Friends, you need to stir it continuously on low flame. Don't leave it. Just keep on roasting and roast it for around 1 minute till the raw smell of all-purpose flour disappears. Friends, I have roasted it for around 1 minute. Now we'll start adding milk slowly. I added around 1/4 cup of milk and I'm stirring it. Then again 1/4 cup of milk. Total we'll add 1 cup of milk. So I've added all the milk. Now just using your spatula, just break if you have any lumps. Stir it properly. Friends, if you feel that it is very thick, then you can add little more milk. Now I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it and just cook for 1 minute. And now our white sauce is ready. Let it cool for around 10 minutes. Friends, now you can see that our sheets are ready. And and they have dried well. You can see it's see-through. So let's start the final assembling. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of pizza pasta sauce and a bowl of cheese. You can use any cheese, mozzarella cheese, processed cheese, whatever you have. Now I have taken a pan and I'll add around 1 tablespoon of pizza pasta sauce. Just spread it nicely and keep your first chapati. Now add vegetable filling, some white sauce, pasta sauce, and then second chapati. If you want, you can add little bit of cheese in the middle also. Same way we'll prepare all the layers. Friends, so I have prepared all the layers and I have added lots of cheese on the top and some tomato sauce. Now we'll cover and cook it for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just open and spread the cheese and tomato sauce. You can see that I spreaded it. Now we'll cover it and cook it again for 10 minutes. So total 20 minutes we need to cook. So friends, it's been 10 minutes and my lasagna has cooked well. You can see it's looking so delicious. Just sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on the top. And we are good to go. Just cut the pieces in whichever shape you like. I am cutting it into triangular shape. So friends, our lasagna is ready and you can see that it's looking so tempting, so delicious. So friends, I hope you liked my video. If yes, then please press a like button, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye.